Friendships are the threads that weave the tapestry of our lives. You're listening to the Journal Party Podcast, where every week we get together for the ultimate journal jam sesh as we journal through life together as a community. My name's Alex Gallner, and I'll be your host, so here's how it works. I'll give you a journal prompt and a groove, and you just start writing. After a few minutes, you'll hear a little bell that sounds like this, and we'll move on to the next prompt. After a couple minutes, you'll hear that bell again, and we'll move on to the next prompt, and we'll just keep going on like that until we're finished. Feel free to write on whatever you like, or even just follow along in your car. If you finish before the bell, you can try to dig deeper and elaborate, or just chill out and enjoy the tunes. Don't overthink it. There's no wrong way to do this, so welcome to the party. Journal Party. What's up, party people? What's up, friends? Welcome back to the Journal Party Podcast. I'm Alex Gallner, and today we're going to be journeying through the heartwarming and sometimes intricate world of friendships. From childhood playmates to college buddies, from work colleagues to neighbors, friendships are the threads that weave the tapestry of our lives. These bonds evolve, shift, and sometimes stand the test of time, offering us comfort, joy, and invaluable life lessons. That's why today we're going to be going through 5 journal prompts to reflect on the evolution of our friendships, the challenges and joys they bring, and the beauty of connections that grow and mature with us. Grab your journal, because here comes prompt number 1. Think back to a friendship that has spanned several years or even decades. How did it begin, and how has it evolved over time? Prompt number 2. Every friendship faces its set of challenges. Reflect on a time when a close friendship was tested. What was the challenge, and how did you both navigate it? Prop number 3. Friendships, like all relationships, require effort and understanding. Share a ritual, tradition, or effort you and your friend have put in to keep the bond strong and vibrant. Prop number 4. Not all friendships last, and that's okay. Reflect on a friendship that has drifted apart. What did you learn from it, and how do you remember it today? All right, here comes prompt number 5. Lastly, think of a recent memory of joy, laughter, or support you shared with a friend. How did it make you feel, and what does it reveal about the essence of your bond? All right, good job, my friends. Friendships are the melodies that add rhythm and harmony to our life's song. They teach us about love, understanding, patience, and the beauty of shared memories. So I hope today's prompts have rekindled cherished memories and offered insights into the ever-evolving nature of friendships. For those of you who wish to continue this journey of introspection and connection, I invite you to explore Journal Party Premium. There you can dive deeper into guided journaling with mood and energy trackers and a community that cherishes every bond and memory. Start your free 7-day trial by heading over to try.journalparty.com or just go to the App Store and download it. It's pretty simple. And as always, let's keep our stories and our memories alive. Connect with us on Instagram at JournalPartyOMG. We're also on TikTok now at JournalPartyOMG, or join our private Facebook group. And I don't think I've ever even mentioned this on the podcast, but we get together live every Thursday at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on a YouTube live stream. So subscribe to our YouTube channel and come hang out with us. It's free and super fun to connect with everyone. And that's all I got for you today. So thank you so much for journaling with us today. Cherish your friends, nurture your bonds, and always remember that friendships in their truest form are the family we choose. Party on.